folks. Great to see you. I just popped on for a second to share something that I got in the mail from a friend who is starting her own business, and I wanted to share with you. Uh, I'm Steph. Welcome to Sit Back with Steph, or the Quotable Classroom, wherever this is going to land. Probably the Quotable Classroom because this is teacher related, and it's going to be real fast. So I just got this in the mail. Let me open it up. Teachers, like I need another tumbler, like I need a hole in the head, but I could not resist. My friend over at Hogg Sty Customs does t-shirts, does all special kinds of customizations and customizing of things. And when I saw this, I had to get it because look what it says. Teacher. And look what else she did. I got to pick the color. I said, find me a really pretty green, and she picked the perfect one. Look. Bam! Isn't that cool? It's got, looks like that stays in there really good. And it's got the steel inside. So I'm super stoked about this. Check her out. I'll try to remember to put a link to her Facebook page. And this is exactly what I need in my classroom. So I'm super stoked. Thank you so much, Nikki, for getting this to me so quickly. It was on sale, 10% off. I got it for 15 bucks. And I think it's a great investment because you know what, I'm stepping in here. I need coffee. I need water. I need to stay hydrated as all of you do. So I had to share that to you, with you. So I've had a great day. I hope you guys are doing great. We're coming down to that end of the line for the year. I can't believe it. It's been amazing. I'll put some more information up a little bit later. This is Sit Back with Steph in the Quotable Classroom, signing off to you. Remember, take care of each other and take care of yourself because you deserve it. You really do. Flop, 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 flop. Flop.